In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Fibonacci time extensions in Robinhood Legend. In this tutorial, you will learn how to locate the Fibonacci time extensions tool, add it to your chart, and customize it using the available settings. First, go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the top center area of the screen where the main chart tools are displayed. In this section, look for the Fibonacci retracement icon, and right next to it find the advanced icon or drop-down icon that contains additional tool options. Click on the drop-down icon to open the available options menu. From the list, select the Fibonacci time extensions tool. Once selected, move your cursor to the chart area where you want to apply it. Click on the exact point in the chart where you want the tool to be placed. This will set the position and activate the tool on your chart. After you click on the chart, the Fibonacci time extensions tool will appear and be applied directly to the selected area. You will now see the extension markers displayed on the chart based on the position you selected. Take a moment to confirm that the tool is placed in the correct location. Next, look for the settings option associated with the Fibonacci tool. Click on Settings to open the customization panel. Inside the Settings menu, you will see the available options for adjusting how the Fibonacci time extensions appear on your chart. Go through the settings options and make any adjustments needed to match your preferred configuration. These changes will update the tool display directly on your chart as you adjust them. Once you are satisfied with the setup, exit the settings panel to return to the main chart view. The Fibonacci time extensions tool will remain active on your chart as you continue working within Robinhood Legend. That is how you add Fibonacci time extensions in Robinhood Legend, place it on your chart, and customize it using the settings menu.